on with Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum. We are weather aware again tomorrow, Dave.
That's right. Tonight looking good. If you're going to be out and about this evening, no problems with our weather. Most of tomorrow looking pretty good as well, too. But you can see here we do have to be weather aware for that 10 p.m. Saturday through about 3 a.m. on Sunday. Damaging winds out there potential. Tornadoes can't be ruled out, and some heavy rain, although it'll be brief this time versus what we had the other day. The bigger picture does show we have a level 3 enhanced risk here from West Alabama through North Mississippi, parts of Arkansas and Louisiana. Basically, that is the bullseye, right? That's where the worst of the severe weather could be. Is notice how it tapers off to a level 2 as we get into the rest of central Alabama. Since this is going to be an overnight event, it's likely the storms will be weakening as they move into Alabama. Still very potent, but not as strong here as they're expected to be back there into Mississippi. So we're going to be watching for that overnight. Now, the biggest threat's going to be damaging winds. We do have a low threat for tornadoes. It's not zero. We have to watch out inside that line. Sometimes you can get these little spin-ups going on. Flooding's going to be low because this is going to be a skinny line of storms and hail. Not really a huge threat with this one, but the timing does take it here from roughly 9 p.m. to midnight here from the state line of Mississippi toward Greensboro, Tuscaloosa, Jasper, and Coleman. From 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. there from Brent, Birmingham, Springville, Gadsden, back to Talladega, Sylacauga, and over toward the Clanton area. And then beyond that, after 1 o'clock in the morning to 3 a.m. So it's going to be an overnight event. So this is why it's important to have multiple ways to get weather alerts that'll wake you up in case you do have a warning for your neighborhood. So keep that in mind. Where is the storm system now? Nowhere near here. It's all the way up here across the upper part of the United States here, developing as it works its way southward, eventually tapping into warm, humid air coming up from the Gulf, and that'll make it much warmer for tomorrow. Right now, it's pretty pleasant out there, not as chilly as yesterday. We do have some breaks in the clouds, and you can see live look downtown. This show, kind of a partly cloudy to mostly sunny sky from our BJCC camera. We're at 58 degrees here in town. But moving forward, here's what it looks like. This evening, we'll have initially some mainly clear sky. Clouds will start building up here by 7 o'clock. We're in the 40s and 50s. Can't rule out maybe a stray shower this evening and into the overnight hours, but most of you will be fairly dry. By 11 o'clock tonight, if you're still out in the town, temperatures in the 40s and 50s. We wake up tomorrow morning with a few stray showers, still in the 40s and 50s, but watch what happens. It's going to become warmer and breezy tomorrow. Winds will be gusting 25, 30 miles per hour. We'll be in the 60s and 70s during the day. But again, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, nothing's happening yet. Remember, this is going to be late Saturday. By 9 o'clock, there's the line of storms coming in toward Hamilton, Carrollton area, back towards, say, Columbus, Mississippi. Fast forward this to 11 o'clock. We're now into Coleman, Jasper, Tuscaloosa, Manville, Demopolis. And by midnight, it's coming into the Birmingham area, back toward Aniana, Springville, back to Alabaster, Pelham, all the way toward Helena, Brent area. And this will continue marching east, finally by 3 a.m., getting out of the state into Georgia. And we'll have the back end of this moving in for Sunday. But watch what happens Sunday. We wake up to 40s and 50s, but temperatures fall all day long on Sunday. By 3 o'clock, we're in the 40s and 50s as well. And by the time you wake up Monday morning, we're down into the mid and upper 20s here across the area. And then we are talking about wind chill in the teens and 20s Monday morning, President's Day. While there's no school that day, still very cold weather expected out there. And if this is cold for you, you should see what we have for the end of next week. So first, let's deal with the severe threat on late Saturday and early Sunday. Temperatures falling all day Sunday. Monday's high 49, 56 Tuesday. It looks good. We'll watch another coastal system giving us some rain on Wednesday, 49. May end with a few flurries, nothing significant for us Thursday, but look at the high, 37 and 17 degrees on Friday morning. So get ready for another